Today I like Dena Bank. That is looking good to me. Some good base formation has given a gap up open and has stayed above it. Dena Bank can climb to levels closer to 55 plus zones in the days to come. Stop below 45. The second stock that I like is L&T because BHEL has done well and L&T is forming a base. It's opened with a gap with a double bottom out there and stayed above it. I think L&T gives some time and space, can climb to levels closer to 760 plus zones. Have a stop below 715 and trade long. So for today, it's Dena Bank and it's L&T.
Where individual stock trading recommendations are concerned, I would want to buy Allahabad Bank in the cash segment at 71 levels. I would hold these long positions, so initiated with a stop loss at 69.75 and expect to book profits at 72.5 or end of the session, whichever comes first. My second trade would be a banking space stock again, and this time my long position would be in Andhra Bank, which I would want to buy in the cash segment at 51 levels, holding with the stop loss at 49.75 and expecting to book profits at 52.25 or end of the session, whichever comes first.
Our top two picks would be basically long in LIC Housing Finance. Now, if you look at this stock has taken a multiple support around 156, 157 zone, and we have observed a very decent build-up in last 2-3 trading sessions. So, if the stock manages to hold above this 170 mark, then we are expecting the stock to target somewhere around 190, 195. So, one can initiate a long position at current levels with a stop loss below 157 for a target of 195 levels. The second counter is basically Reliance Capital, which has again given a good breakout on its weekly charts above 330 zone. And if you look at the build-up also, we have observed a build-up of almost 7-8% in last couple of 2-3 trading sessions. So I think there's going to be a huge short covering in the stock, and we can see the stock testing somewhere around 370 zone. So one can initiate a long position with a stop below 325 for a target of 370 zone.
I would go with the buy in State Bank of India, stop loss of 1595, target of 1728, and this is not a call for the day, it could be for the coming week also. In case there is some correction, I don't see too much of that. One should use to buy that. I think the banking space has made a bottom and we will be looking for some more upside. The second one is a buy in Elder Pharma, stop loss of 348, target of 405. And for FNO traders, I have a call in the Dena Bank, a buy in Dena Bank September futures, stop loss of 46.50, target of 52.50.
Well, Nifty for the day needs to stay above 5589, resistance at 5627 and 5662, support at 5554 and 5516. Bank Nifty must stay above 9546, CNX IT above 8275. BTST from yesterday was Axis Bank was a buy with a stop of 270, target of 285. Axis Bank was a buy with a stop of 890, target of 950. Infosys was a sell with a stop of 3030, target of 2950. Fresh Calls Escorts is a buy with a stop of 80, target of 94. BHEL is a buy with a stop of 133, target of 150. Karnataka Bank is a buy with a stop of 81, target of 94. Orient Bank is a buy with a stop of 139, target of 154. Canara Bank is a buy with a stop of 205, target of 220. Syndicate Bank is a buy with a stop of 66, target of 78.
I have a buy on Hindustan Unilever. I think bounced back nicely from the short-term averages. Can be bought around 625 with a stop at 604 for targets of around 645. Exide is a sell. It's been a weak structure, but the stock price hasn't fallen below 120. The moment it does that, there could be a good technical breakdown and significant selling can happen over there. So sell below 120 with a stop at 124.5 for targets of 112. Infosys is a sell in the short term with a stop at 3056 for targets of around 29.20. I've got two buy calls in banking stocks. IOB is a buy with a stop at 40 for targets of around 47. And Karnataka Bank is a buy around 84, 84.5 levels with a stop below 80. And I would look for price targets of around 94 over here.